In this video, I will demonstrate how to enact on-demand UVC disinfection using your Pure UVC app. To do so, make sure that you have at least one device assigned to at least one zone. If you need to do so, please watch some of our previous videos. Once you have that ready, make sure that you're standing in Bluetooth range from the fixtures. This means you can stand right outside of the room. Remember, UVC light cannot penetrate through glass, so you can look through the window. You'll also be able to see the blue light emitted from underneath the door to make sure that the lights are working. The reason why you have to be in Bluetooth range is that A, this is a Bluetooth device, B, it's an extra safety feature to make sure that no one accidentally activates devices in spaces that are occupied. Even though the motion sensors will trigger the lights off, we want to provide that extra level of confidence that the only times these fixtures are on are when you want them to be on. Now, to turn the fixtures on with their on-demand treatment, again, stand outside the room, and very simply, you're just going to press this on-off button right here in the zone screen.
Pure UVC disinfection treatment is now active. Please evacuate the treatment area immediately.
If you want to manually turn off, you can press the button. Now, when I press the button on, the lights will automatically operate for the preset on-demand duration. By default, that's 5 minutes. So if I press the on button, 5 minutes later, the lights will automatically turn off, allowing you to do your on-demand disinfection. The second feature here is that when I click the lights on, if motion is detected, it will trigger the lights off.
Pure UVC disinfection treatment is now active.
There we are. And in the weird case that you need to set the fixtures on again, and they're already marked here as on, you can just double tap
Pure UVC disinfection treatment is now active
to turn them on. The only time you'll ever need this screen is for on-demand disinfection, and regardless if the light is toggled on or off, it'll still operate the same on its preset schedule or when you manually turn the lights on. If motion sensors trigger the lights off, they will not restart until, again, that automated scheduled time or when you manually ask the lights to turn on.